Guys, I'm here again today because I'm going to try the pistachio tree cookies and the milky pistachio tree cookies. Let's see if this tastes good. Good. Let's try. What's that mean? Try.
Yan na.
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Okay. Let's open this one. Ano na sila sa video nila, di ba? Ta-da! Okay, get one. Pag-isa-isa na tayo guys.
It is fresh.
Let's taste it. Mmm. Mmm. Ang chocolate is kinda bitter. No?
Cocoa.
Cocoa rin siya. But the pistachio inside is good. I'll take a photo also. Mm. What can you say? Approve?
Kailan eh?
Hmm. Hmm. Pinagkakaroon sa conversation. Yeah. Ang dark is 410. 380 ang milky.
Not lang.
Hmm.
Pero dapat wala din mo direct. Para mo stretchy ka siya.
Oh, giraffe man ako ni siya. Hmm.
Wala may yapang. Hindi lang tayo mo stretch kay direct.
Narahan. It's yummy. Dapat to si Mel, oh. Kamel, tato ko sa. Love it. May chocolate yung dito. Dito. Yung face good. Si mong chin. So I got this from Chef M. I'm not sure if she's gonna be accepting orders for now because her back has been injured. But I'll try to put her Facebook account in the captions so that you can check her. It's a balance of bitter and sweet. Munig bitter sweet.
Pero not too sweet. Nice.
Nice.
Kaya ma-taste mo ang pistachio mo.
Yes. Very pretty ang pagka-green oil. To cleanse the palate, I'm gonna drink water. Diba? Ano ba yung cleansing na palate na naman? Let's taste the milky pistachio.
Half lang ta, dili to.
Then, kaya mo ba?
Gusto mo na to.
Half na lang daw. Mm. Lak. Tas, go, go, go. Ay. Oh. Mahadlok ko ba? Pila ko magkalat ko.
Wow, so stretchy.
Okay. Thank you. So this is the milky pistachio chewy cookie. Try to taste it now. Remember na ko kay pastillas dahil. Pero elevated na flavor sa pastillas.
Ang masarap.
Namisan no? So pretty, the greenery.
Ang masarap.
It's really yummy. Once again, I got this from Chef M. She is a baker who lives in Bohol and sometimes goes to Cebu. And she will post on her page when she's coming back. But I think right now, everything is still pending because she got her back injured. But I will still provide her Facebook page. That's it. All good.